In today's video, we will be learning about Python virtual environment. By the end of this video, you will understand what a virtual environment is, create and activate a virtual environment, install packages safely, use pip properly, generate and use requirements.txt. And if you want to become a real developer, hit like and subscribe and comment virtual environment if you are setting this up. So first of all, let's talk about why virtual environments exist. For example, let's take a problem. Project A uses package version 1 and project B uses same package but version 2, or you can say another version. Some like it can be some previous version or some updated version. And in this case, conflict happens, and conflict means chaos. Virtual environments isolate dependencies per project. So now the first question is, how do we create a virtual environment? So to create a virtual environment, we will use Python -m venv myenv. So this will create a folder called myenv, and this is your Python isolated world. And when you enter this, you just create a Python isolated world. And to activate this, we will say myenv/scripts activate. And after entering this, you will see myenv. Now you are inside the virtual environment. And for some of us, you will face some error after entering this command. So how do we fix that? Go to your settings. Actually, the error will also tell you to do like how to fix that. And then go in apps, and then go in advanced app settings and app execution aliases. And here, enable your Python latest version. In my case, it's Python 3.13 and on all of them. And it will happen mostly because you installed Python from the Microsoft Store. If you installed from the official website, this might not be the case and it will work directly. But I have installed from Microsoft Store, so I have faced this error, but I already fixed it before making the video. Okay, so let's continue. Now let's talk about how do we install packages in Python. For that, we use pip install and let's say requests. And if it is already installed, it will say requirement already satisfied. And you might see some messages like this. For this, just copy this line, copy and paste it and enter. And this will upgrade your pip to the latest version. Okay, now it's installed. Let's install something else. Let's install pandas. It is not related to cybersecurity, but I just like knew this package name, so I'm installing it. And after installing, we will be talking about how do we uninstall packages. Okay, so now our pandas package is installed. So now let's talk about how do we install it. But before installing, we must know how to list them. For that, we'll use pip list. And if you enter it, it will show you all the installed packages in here. Okay, so our request is version is 2.32.5 and pandas is 3.0.1. Okay, so now we uninstall pip uninstall pandas. So it will uninstall pandas pip library and it will ask for your permission. Just hit Y and enter. Okay. Now let's create a requirements.txt file. For that, we'll say pip freeze requirements.txt. So it will create a file with the required pip libraries, and if I cat it, it will look something like this. So what it like done is it created file for this. Like it just printed all of these like this. So what this will do is this ensures everyone installs the exact same version. And how do we install packages using it? We say pip install -r requirements.txt like this and we hit enter. But in my case, I have already installed everything already, so it's gonna say requirement already satisfied. Now let's talk about how do we deactivate virtual environment. Just type deactivate. It's that simple. And now you are back to global Python. Now let's talk about some common beginner mistakes. Installing packages globally is the first one. For example, you might install some packages like directly here. Sometimes it will create some problems for you. So it's better to install packages in virtual environment. Forgetting to activate environment. And sometimes like some people know about the virtual environment stuff, but they forgot to activate environment and they by mistake install the packages in their global environment. And not sharing requirements.txt. Some developers or some people like us, when they create a tool, they forgot to share the requirements.txt. And even if they do, they don't use this pip freeze thing. They like manually write according to them, which is not a good practice. Okay, so that's it for the video. Thank you guys for watching.